Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a better study plan. First, clearly define what you want to achieve. Setting specific, measurable goals helps you focus your efforts and track progress effectively. Break down large assignments into smaller, more manageable tasks. This approach makes the overall goal seem less daunting and helps maintain motivation. Estimate the time required for each task to allocate your study hours wisely. Now, let's structure your study time effectively. Allocate specific blocks in your schedule for studying, treating them like important appointments. Remember to include short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Identify your most productive hours and tackle your most challenging subjects during these times. This strategy maximizes your learning efficiency and retention. Next, let's talk about employing effective study techniques. Instead of just rereading, actively recall information to strengthen your memory. Try using different methods like flashcards, practice problems, or even teaching the material to someone else. Explaining concepts aloud helps you identify gaps in your understanding and reinforces what you've learned. These active strategies are far more beneficial than passive review. Finally, it's crucial to regularly review and adapt your study plan. Life happens, so be flexible and adjust your schedule when necessary. Celebrate your small achievements along the way. This positive reinforcement keeps you motivated and engaged. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Staying consistent and kind to yourself is key to long-term academic success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.